Are you a part of the manufacturing industry? Are you a CAM software developer? Simulation systems developer? CNC Controller Manufacturer? CNC Machine Tool Builder? Or a tool and fixture manufacturer? Are you facing these challenges for exchange of manufacturing data between various hardware and software systems in the manufacturing industry? Proprietary data formats with limited adoption. Higher software development and maintenance costs. Additional time and cost to build customized data bridges. Lack of flexibility to upgrade existing software systems. Overcoming these challenges is now easy with MDES equipment, which is ModuleWorks software libraries that are compliant with manufacturing data exchange specification. With MDES, an open format for the exchange of digital representations of manufacturing equipment between various hardware and software systems across multiple process steps, has been introduced. This includes tool components, assemblies, fixtures, stocks, setups, and their mounting in machine tools. The key benefits of MDES are: open specification is freely available for users to adopt, and it enables the universal description of the manufacturing equipment for the purpose of manufacturing data exchange. The open specification is designed to be compatible with existing industry standards, such as ISO 13399, DIN 4000, and DIN 4003. ModuleWorks has developed MDES equipment to complement the MDES with ready-to-go software libraries. These software libraries include basic read and write functionalities to use datasets that are compliant with the specification, together with toolpath and simulation components from the ModuleWorks SDK. It also allows fast access to an open and growing ecosystem of hardware and software providers, which together form the software landscapes in the manufacturing organizations. This reduces adoption barriers for their products across and reduces their development and maintenance costs as they become members of the MDES ecosystem. The manufacturing organizations no longer need to build and maintain customized bridges to exchange manufacturing data between different hardware and software systems used by them, saving them additional time and cost. It increases flexibility within their software landscapes, which makes upgrading software systems easier, and thus facilitates the adoption of the latest technologies available in the market. MDES equipment makes the digital workflow seamless, easier, faster, and more cost-efficient.